Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to use LinkedIn for job search. So it's very easy. All you have to do is simply create your own account and then go to the search icon right here. Now you just have to filter everything and be specific with the job that you're looking for. For experience level, you just have to simply tap any of the following here for company, for job type, if you're looking for part-time, for on-site or remote, you can click remote if you want, industry, location, job function, and then you will see the result right here. If you tap the show result, then all of the results that, of course, filtered by you will pop up here. Another thing is that in order for you to look for a job on LinkedIn is you have to be very participative and you have to be very active on your LinkedIn account. How to do that? You just have to comment on their job post, or if you want to look for people who are successful in this area or in this job, then you will ask them for any tips, something like that. So in order to do that, you have to go to their profile or you have to go to their or to the content that they have created. Comment something there that congratulations, can you give me some tips about this and that? And then of course your profile will be exposed and people or some people will visit your profile, especially those who are also looking for the same job. Or lucky you if those people who are visiting your profile are those who are looking for employees in the same field. So that's it. And they will message you, or you will message them, or they will be curious about your profile. They will look at your skills and all of your history, all your activities here on LinkedIn. Okay, and they will be very interested. They will propose a job or they will hire you if you're lucky, and that's it. Now, I will be sharing a few tips on how to get a job here or how to use LinkedIn to get a job. Okay, so first we have here is update your profile frequently. According to LinkedIn's blog, users who have a profile photo are 14 times more likely to get the page views, while users who add skills are 13 times more likely to get profile views. If you want Gone Bananas to take notice of you, make sure to routinely update your profile. Include a profile photo and highlight your noteworthy skills. There are more than 45,000 skills available on LinkedIn to help you booster your profile. Okay, so next, be detailed while describing your goals and present skills. Don't leave any information about your present talents or goals out of your LinkedIn profile to make sure you're using it to get a job properly. Next is highlight recent experiences. Another thing we have here is to simply change the headline or update your headline. The only thing people see when they conduct a search are your photo, name, and headline, which is displayed beneath your photo. So your title should be catchy and emphasize who you are and the kind of job you are looking for. So that's it. And last is make it known that you are available. If you have the opportunity to let people know you're looking for work, do so. Make the statement in your headline. The phrases writers seeking businesses in need of a friendly ghost or engineer ready to strike oil and make you rich, something like that. So these are the example phrases that may attract the eye of a hiring manager or recruiter. So I really hope that this video helped you.
Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.